Hello. You know what's crazy? Everyone says they wanna improve, but जब actually काम करने का time आता है तब सारे गायब. Cause self improvement सुनने में बहुत aesthetic लगता है, but it's actually the exact opposite of aestheticism. Self improvement isn't about cute morning routines, cute journaling या फिर motivational quotes. Self improvement is about pain. It's about discipline. It's about doing what you don't like doing every single day. तुम कल सुबह एकदम randomly successful या कामयाब नहीं उठोगे. It's gonna take time. तुम सुबह tired उठोगे, lost उठोगे. But this is the time that sets you apart from everyone else. Because दूसरे लोग क्या करते हैं? The moment it starts to hurt, they quit. The moment it starts to get a bit hard, they quit. Let's say you're doing push-ups. तुमने 5, 10, 15 push-ups कर लिए, but after that it's gonna hurt. And अगर तुम ऐसे एक person who's been going to the gym for some time, who has been in the gym, who has worked out, तो तुम्हें पता है कि जब दर्द होना start होता है, that is the point where you keep going, where you don't stop. Because real growth happens after that. You're gonna have to push past the pain, the failure, the struggle. You wanna fix your life? Then start by fixing your habits. Motivation को chase करना छोड़ दो, consistency पर ध्यान देना start करो. Stop waiting for the right time, cause the right time कभी नहीं आता. The right time is right now. और कभी नहीं होता है right time. But you're gonna have to pay a price as well. You're gonna have to lose some people. You're gonna have to lose some comfort. And you're gonna have to lose that version of yourself just sirf comfort पे ध्यान देता था. But this is the price that you pay if you want to be someone better, someone new, someone completely different. तो अगर you're stuck, तुम थके हुए हो, तुम फंसे हुए हो, तुम्हें नहीं पता क्या करना है, then that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That means you're growing. Slowly ही सही, but you're growing. And that's what matters. And कुछ बातें हमेशा याद रखना. Keep showing up even if no one's watching. Keep showing up even if it feels impossible. Keep showing up even if you're tired. क्योंकि ये सारे excuses हैं. Put them away and get to work. Lock the fuck in. Every single workout that you complete, every single hour that you put in वो slowly compound कर रहा है. You know जब तुम नए नए जिम जाते हो शुरुआत के 2-3 हफ्ते तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं दिखता. That is the exact way this is gonna work. It compounds over time. तुम्हें अगले ही दिन results नहीं मिल जाएंगे. But slowly and surely you're gonna see the results. And उस दिन you're gonna thank yourself जब तुम्हें इसके results दिखने start होंगे. And that is what self-improvement is truly about. Not perfection, but progress. Stay rational.